Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Brian.
I'm Chris.
And we are Uncompassed. What are we doing today?
Uncompassed. We are going to our camper.
We are. So if you remember when we last left our hero, Jerry, we had talked about doing some projects and
before the season started.
Yeah. So today the season starts.
Guess what we're going to do today?
We'll be doing projects.
Yep.
Which will be cool because it's beautiful outside, and we've saved up some cash to get the things that we needed to get, and got a great deal on a few of the items that we needed.
Yes,
some
I love
of which
great deals.
Are way back there, and some are, well, you can't see them. We are loaded to the hilt.
We are.
We are actually at the
car wash.
We're at the car wash right now. So we figured we'd do this little intro. And
Ella needs a bath.
Badly.
She's dirty.
Yep, she's a dirty girl. So we'll get the car wash, and you can join us on our fun today / this weekend.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run.
Okay, so I'm going to catch you up on something. Let's go see. So a few weeks back, we were in Texas, probably about a month and a half ago, and we had a little mishap with our back window. So we have this going on. The hinge broke. So I had to do a little bit of MacGyver to keep things in place. So just catching you up here. I've leveled the one side. What we had to do was bring the camper up probably at least 8 inches, probably a little bit more, almost a foot, in order to have our sewer higher than the drain at the campground. So we'll do the other side, and I'll kind of walk you through that. So guess where we are?
We're at Menards.
We have a leak in our water, and we found what we think is the fitting, but we couldn't find a clamp for it. So we're looking for What area again?
Oh, the automotive, we seem to struggle with that section.
Yeah, but we did find it, so we are going to...
The big green signs are always helpful.
Correct. So we'll find our clamps and see if we can get our thing fixed.
Wish us luck.
So while we are at Menards, picked up a couple little jobbies. This guy here for our connection, which is going to put less strain on the hose, which is a good thing. Picked up this guy here to tee off so that we can have a regular hose and our water supply hose. And we picked up a sewer hose because the one that we had in here was not the right kind, so we had to get a new one. And then we had our hose leak, so we picked up some pieces for that too. So those will be the projects for this morning. Hey, I'm rolling. So I had one of these fellers. I don't know if you can see, had a big crack in this hose, I think, here. And I replaced it temporarily with this situation here, just so we can see what we have, if there's any other leaks anywhere. I will sure this up once we know we're good to go. And we have a heat gun to warm up the tubes, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, we did come up quite a bit, and it looks like we're going to need to come up quite a bit more. We got a little bit of a pitch, but it's not quite where we need to be. So each one of these blocks all the way around needs one more wood block, another 1.5 inches, brings up the whole trailer about 1.5 inches. So that should help in our pitch.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. Oh.